Okay. Hey, so I'm just gonna optimize the parameters here. So make a function called optimize parameters, whatever. Um, and obviously we need to retrieve our w1. So I'm gonna make it capitalized because we're gonna update it now. So I'm gonna say parameters. I'm just gonna access w1, and if you remember how we were returning that, it's just capital W. And obviously I'm gonna take parameters as an argument, and I'm just gonna copy paste this 4 times, so I don't have to keep writing it over and over again. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Uh, Lord. Okay. And I believe we were returning that with a capital. No, we were not. Okay, make that shit lowercase. Whatever, we'll see if there is an error. And then W2. Usually, if you're trying to access a dictionary and the name is incorrect, it's gonna tell you key error, so you'll know what to fix. And then we need to actually access our backpropagation W's, right? So I'm gonna call this grads. We're gonna take grads as an argument, and I'm gonna say derivative of W1 is equal to grads derivative of W1. And again, I'm just going to copy paste this 4 times. I'm just going to change these, right? Derivative of B1, derivative of B1, derivative of W2, derivative of W2. And I'm going to say derivative of B2, derivative of B2, right? And then W1 is going to equal to numpy. It's going to equal to, it's going to, brain is working. Okay, it's going to equal to, we're just going to do numpy subtract, right? And we're going to subtract, what's it called? Our W1 by the dot product of our learning rate. And I forgot to take learning rate as an argument. So go ahead and pass in learning rate up here. So we're going to multiply it by the dot product of our learning rate and our derivative of W1. And similarly not similarly, but B1, okay, I just did it all. W2 is going to equal to numpy subtract W2 by the dot product of our learning rate and our, what's it called, derivative of W2, right? And it should do this for us. Okay, no. So B2 is equal to numpy subtract. And again, if there is an error and you notice it, probably is an error because I just woke up and I recently just started using light mode. So honestly, I'm not even sure if I am making an error. So learning rate by the derivative of our B1, or sorry, B2. And I have no idea why I said B1. That should be B2, right? So this is just optimizing it. And again, if you are confused by the subtract and stuff, let me indent this a little. Literally all this is just because remember the subtraction happens first. Literally all this is W1 minus alpha, and actually I did not make a comment. W minus alpha, or our learning rate. So W minus learning rate, and then we're just multiplying that by the derivative of our W1. So you don't have to do the numpy subtract. I just do it like that because I think it's a little cleaner. And then I'm going to say updated params is equal to, I'm going to make a dictionary. And I'm going to say W1, W1, W2, W2, I have no idea why I put a comma here. And then B1, B1, uh, B2, okay, and then B. Actually, I'm gonna make these lowercase because it really doesn't look good when we do this here. But whatever, it's not. It really isn't a big deal, right? It doesn't matter at all. And yeah. So that should be good. It should be. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna return my updated params. And I believe that should do it. Yeah. Okay, yeah.